Hi, I'm your yoga sir. Today we are going to see about IT courses and its benefits. Come. Hi, this is the location of ITC Cloud Tech, Chennai, Nagar. This is located near Nagar East Metro and Roundtana Signal. Now, I am at ITC Cloud Tech, Chennai, Nagar. This is our website and our mobile number. Anytime you can call. Now we are discussing about IT and the software training programs. So, under here, our specialty is we are coding specialists training center in Chennai. Why we are called coding specialists? See, for example, if you are joining a programming language, Java, Python, and all, usually any center they cover the topic with some examples and they go to move on to next topic. Whereas here we cover same like that. We cover the topic, we give examples, and we make you to do on your own. So we give lot of exercises you have to do. We support, monitor, so that you will learn coding. Usually any institute, if it's training a program for 40 hours, but we train here for 80 to 100 hours, same program. Because that much depth, that level, we are making you to do on your own, so that you learn the technology and the coding. That is a specialist. Next, what are the programs available with us? We have Java, Python, Full Stack, .NET, React, Node, Angular, Spring, like that, all programming languages. In addition, latest technologies, AI and ML, artificial intelligence and machine learning, data science, very depth, statistics, everything we are covering in this. Like a degree, in a degree, what they are covering for data science and AI, same thing we are covering here in the training program itself. Again, cloud, AWS, Azure, GCP, DevOps. This is certification level we are covering, international certification level. Again, databases, Oracle, MySQL, MongoDB, etc. Similarly, data analytics, Power BI, Tableau, SQL, Python also included here. So we are going that way. Again, networking, hardware networking, CCNA, CCNP in server, Windows and Linux. Again, testing, manual, automation, Tally, MS Office, digital marketing, project management, and Agile. Everything we are covering. Our style, teaching style, everything is, as I said, 100% practical and hands-on. And we make you to do on your own also. So, co-specialists. Again, another advantage is many institutes are keeping 20 to 200 and all in a batch, students in a batch. But we keep only maximum 3 members. Then only we can give individual attention to you. We can make you to understand very easily. That's the reason we restricted the number with 3. Again, no PPT. If I am using a PPT for teaching, that means I very fastly I move on one topic to another topic. So I restricted PPT, no PPT here. Everything, open the software, type and explain, so that easily you can understand practically. We have classroom as well as online training. All trainers are minimum 15 years of industry experienced people. We teach in English, Tamil, Telugu. So take any training, learn in very depth, settle in IT industry, be happy.